So in this video, I'm just going to quickly talk about how you need to join your AP classroom. If you took an AP course last year, it's the exact same process, except this time, if you did already do this last year for a different AP course, you already have an account. So what you're going to want to do is just clearly follow the steps here. They're not that difficult. First thing is you're going to sign in to myap.collegeboard.org in terms of the website. In what you're going to do is if you go to this website and you don't have an account already, you're going to click down here on the bottom and you're going to create your own account. Now the counselors will just warn you and say be very careful when you create a brand new account. For example, don't make simple mistakes. If they ask for your first name, don't put the last name there. So just take your time, be very detailed. You don't want to register your first time in setting up your AP account incorrectly. The other thing is, again, if you already have an account because you've taken an AP course in the past, do not create a new account. If you do, it's going to cause some major havoc and hours of issues to have to get resolved. So if you have an account, log in or create one. The next thing you're going to have to do is get the course code. And on our Schoology website, as you're watching this video, you see our particular 6-digit code for this year. So use that code that has been given to you and just hit join the class and then verify the information. Now the next step they're going to say is fill out the registration information. I am not exactly sure for this slide. If you, again, had an AP course last year, you may not have to do this because this is not your first time in an AP course. So again, if it's your first time ever in an AP course, you absolutely will have to do this slide. If not, this may already be done. And then you pretty much are done and you are registered. Key thing here is please again look at the website for the deadline. If you do not make this deadline, then you will not be able to take the exam in May. It is very, very important to get registered, even if you're not planning on taking the exam. So register if you know for sure you're going to take the exam in May, and still register if you're like, you know what, I'm not sure, or if you're not going to. You need to have access to the AP classroom for our course this year.